When Maya Kapoor was escorted out of her office with a cardboard box in hand, not a single person from her team spoke a word. Some hid behind their computer screens. Others whispered and smirked. Her crime: refusing to cover up for $1 million accounting fraud orchestrated by the CFO and silently approved by the company's smug CEO, Rohan Singhania. Maya had worked at Prime Corp for 9 loyal years. She climbed from junior analyst to VP of strategy, always delivering results. She thought integrity mattered. But that day, she learned the hard truth: in some boardrooms, silence is golden, until it's weaponized. "I hope she learned her lesson," Rohan muttered as she disappeared through the elevator doors. But Maya hadn't just walked away with her box of office trinkets, she walked away with knowledge. The kind of knowledge that could shake the foundations of Prime Corp. And she wasn't just going to expose them. No, she was going to own them. Step 1. Disappear to rebuild. Maya moved to a quiet town, rented a modest apartment, and went dark. No social media, no calls, nothing. She took up freelance consulting jobs under aliases, helping small startups grow, turning them into multi-million-dollar ventures behind the scenes. She saved every cent. She read. She researched. And most importantly, she waited. Step 2. Strike where it hurts. 5 years later, Prime Corp was struggling. Their flashy PR campaigns couldn't hide the falling numbers. The once loyal clients were leaving, one by one. Internally, the staff turnover was through the roof. Their innovative edge had dulled, and Rohan was too arrogant to admit the ship was sinking. That's when a mysterious investor group named MK Holdings made headlines by aggressively acquiring Prime Corp shares on the open market. Rohan laughed it off. Just another hedge fund trying to flip for profit, he scoffed during a board meeting. But within weeks, MK Holdings held 47% of the company. A month later, they made a bold offer: full acquisition. Step 3. Unmask the Queen. The acquisition was swift. Lawyers rushed papers, stockholders signed, and the media swirled with rumors about the identity of the mysterious buyer. The final blow came at the company's annual shareholders' meeting. Rohan, still clinging to his title, stood at the podium, trying to maintain his charm. Cameras flashed. Reporters waited. And then she walked in. Maya Kapoor. In a tailored navy suit, heels clicking like a countdown clock, she walked straight to the stage. Gasps filled the room. Some employees dropped their phones. Others froze in disbelief. She took the mic. "Good morning. I am Maya Kapoor, founder of MK Holdings, and as of this morning, the new owner and CEO of Prime Corp." Rohan's jaw dropped. This is insane. You can't just waltz in." "I just did. But you don't know how to run a company of this size." "I built this company's strategy when you were still misquoting spreadsheets in boardrooms," she replied, locking eyes with him. "I know every number you buried. Every lie you sold. And I have receipts." Maya turned to the audience. Under Rohan's leadership, this company lost its vision. Its integrity. That ends today. To the staff who stayed loyal, your efforts won't go unnoticed. To those who laughed when I was thrown out, you may want to update your resumes. Rohan lunged toward her. "You'll regret this." She smiled. "I already waited 5 years. I can wait longer if you'd like to fight." Security stepped forward. He was escorted out, just like she once was. Only this time, there was no silence. The staff clapped. Epilogue. Under Maya's leadership, Prime Corp transformed. She replaced toxic executives with competent, ethical leaders. She reinstated fair policies, restored client trust, and launched an innovation lab that brought in millions. And Rohan, he applied for roles in smaller companies. No one wanted a disgraced ex-CEO with lawsuits trailing him. Eventually, he became a consultant, working for the kind of startups Maya secretly backed. Sometimes, she would get reports with his name on them. And every time she read them, she smiled. Because revenge isn't just about winning. It's about building something so big, they can't ignore you.